I have my road to 85 kilos, 200 grams of spinach. Apparently this is 125 grams. 200 minus 125 equal 75. I'm supposed to eat all of this. We're gonna do 5 grams of ghee, but just a bit like this. I brush all the pan easily. Hopefully it's gonna work. 155 grams of tuna. I have my astaghfirullah al-azim. 2 eggs. All the rest of the ghee. The omelette here. For the cottage cheese, 150 grams. Some salt, black pepper, 30 grams of avocado. On the cottage cheese, 2 slices of protein bread. Bismillah, first meal of the day. Spinach is 4 out of 10. I will not enjoy this meal at all. The eggs and the tuna are good. How would you cook this to make the meal taste like very good? This here starts very well. It's not good. But who cares, brother?
Who cares, brother? Who cares?
Today,
Smash.
the worst bite ever. Oh, finally. I promise you the rest will be better. Yalla guys, see you on the next one. وبالعافية.